Welcome to our full guide on how to play Overcooked 2 with your friends using just one keyboard. Get ready for some fun and frantic cooking action. First things first, let's set up the game for keyboard play. Launch Overcooked 2 and head over to the main menu. Now, let's choose the right control settings. Make sure the keys feel comfortable for everyone. This will make your gameplay smoother. Here's how to assign player controls on a single keyboard. You can divide the keys so each player has their own space to maneuver. Communication is key. Develop a strategy with your team to make sure everyone knows their roles. It will make a huge difference. Let's dive into some specific strategies for tackling challenging levels. Reviewing maps and planning ahead can save your team. Assigning roles in the kitchen is crucial. Whether it's chopping, cooking, or plating, knowing your task can speed up your progress. Learn about movement shortcuts. Knowing the layout of the kitchen can help you reach your cooking tasks faster. Experiencing issues? Here are some common problems and solutions to help you enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. And that's it. Now you're ready to enjoy Overcooked 2 with your friends on one keyboard. Don't forget to share your cooking adventures with us.